In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a form in Kit. Kit, which you might remember as ConvertKit, makes it pretty simple to copy an existing form, but the option isn't always obvious at first glance. Duplicating a form is really useful if you already have a design and settings you like, and you just want to reuse them for a new campaign, a different audience segment, or a slightly tweaked offer. Instead of rebuilding from scratch, we'll take an existing form and create an identical copy in just a few clicks. First, head into your Kit dashboard and look at the very top navigation bar. Up there, you'll see a menu item labeled Grow. Go ahead and click on Grow. This is the main section where Kit organizes tools related to list growth, so anything tied to signups, lead capture, and similar features will usually live here. From the Grow menu, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This will open a page that lists all of the landing pages and forms you've already created in your account. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of assets here. Once it's open, scroll through the list to find the specific form you want to duplicate. If you have many forms, it can help to quickly scan by name or use any filters or search options available in your account view. When you've found the form you want to copy, look closely along the row for that form. Near the Embed button, or sometimes all the way on the far right side of that row, you'll see a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is often called the kebab menu. It's a compact way Kit uses to hide additional options, so the main interface stays clean. Click on that kebab menu to open a drop-down list of actions you can take for this form. In that drop-down, look for the option labeled Duplicate. Go ahead and click Duplicate. There's no need to confirm anything. Kit will create the copy for you right away. As soon as you do this, a new version of the form will appear at the very top of your list. This new form is an identical copy of the original, including its layout and settings, so you can now rename it, update the content, or adjust any settings without affecting the original form. This saves you time, keeps your branding consistent, and makes it much easier to test variations or run multiple campaigns using a proven design.